All right, y'all. Cheese is shredded. We're ready to go. Listen, if you got bagged cheese that's already shredded, you could use that too. But there is potato starch around that cheese that doesn't let it melt quite as well. But when you shred it yourself, it melts better. It is what it is. But you do you. We're making some chicken nachos, but we're going crazy with it. We're putting it in this Bundt pan because when I turn it out, let it go on the platter, you have an instant spot for your guac, your salsa, whatever, right in the middle, right? Right. Found this at Costco, char grilled chipotle seasoned chicken. Figure, hey, love everything that comes from Costco, so we're gonna use this up. All right. But if you're gonna grill up some chicken, use whatever chicken you like or whatever meat you like. All right. We got some tortilla chips here. Get everything ready to get this thing built. I put my chicken in a Tupperware because we're not using the whole package for this, right? It's a small bowl. Little sliced black olives because I like black olives. You don't like them? Leave them out. Little green chilies would be great too if you had some of those. So knock yourself out. All right. We have some pepper jack cheese. I'm gonna start with the layer of the cheese on the bottom here. Then we got some mild cheddar, right? Then a little of that chicken going around. Because you know this is going to be the top, right? It's gonna be the top of the nachos. So we wanna make sure we're starting off with a nice base. Couple of the black olives in there. Then a layer of these tortilla chips. Kind of press them down a little bit in there. Don't break them. Just kind of, you know, give them a little shove. Okay. A little bit more of that cheese. A little cheddar. All right. A little of the pepper jack. Chicken. We're making a little nacho lasagna here. All the layers, right? Olives. We're not, you know, not doing rocket science here, guys. This is just making a big old tray of nachos just in a Bundt pan. Another layer of chips. More cheese, please. Clean up your mess, CJ. What the heck? All right, a little bit of more pepper jack. And just a little bit more of the chicken. And then the rest of the olives. Team, we're gonna get this in a 350 oven. About 20, 25 minutes. Just, you know, check it, make sure it's getting melty, right? Then we'll dump it on a cutting board or something like that. And then we'll be munching. All right, I'll see you in a second. All right, team, we're out of the oven. Got me a little cutting board here. You guys, you know, have another platter or something like you want to use, go for it. Just flip it upside down and pray for the best. Careful of that steam coming out. Guess I could have centered that a little bit better on there, but there you go. Nacho ring. All right, let's get a bite. Guys, give a little dippy dip in that salsa. Get you a bite. Y'all, is the Bundt pan the perfect vessel to do some nachos? Like, who am I to argue? Give it a try, because baby, you know it's good.